so dark. What you doing? What you doing? Maya. Maya.
Come here, Maya. This is yours over here. Maya. Come here, Maya. This is your food here. Come here. No,
I love
Chewy,
the way you
that's not
run.
your food. That's Maya's food.
I put a bunch of food in our cage for her. I'm pretty sure she ate it all.
Don't put it in there because I'm done for at night. Actually, she's
Oh, it's too dark. Yes, because then she's going to poop on you.
Yeah.
She have a sleepover?
What?
Did she have a sleepover?
Sleep over? Yeah, I got it till tomorrow night.
Yes. Come here. Come here. Maya.
Oh, yes.
Maya, don't be a butt.
She's here more than Haley has her. Don't tease her, honey. Don't tease
I
her.
want her to come here.
That was terrible. She can't. She couldn't even sit on your knee without biting.
Okay, that wasn't my fault last time.
She's getting bad. You just have to go and grab her, honey.
I don't want her to bite me. I don't want her to bite me.
I know, but she's getting bad.
You really barricaded that off over there, didn't you?
Yeah. You didn't have nothing to put across, but